Every time you break a promise to yourself, you lose a little self-respect. And most people don't even notice it happening. You say you'll wake up early. You don't. You say you'll start tomorrow. You don't. You say this year will be different. But your habits stay the same. It's not laziness. It's self-betrayal. Confidence doesn't come from motivation. It comes from proof. Proof that when you say you'll do something, you actually do it. That's how self-trust is built. Quietly, repeatedly. Discipline isn't punishment. It's self-respect in action. It's telling yourself, my future matters more than my comfort. No one sees it. No one applauds it. But you feel it. There's a moment every day when you can choose comfort or growth. The alarm rings. The workout feels heavy. The work feels boring. That moment defines you. Not the big goals, the small decisions. You don't need extreme routines. You need alignment. If you say you're disciplined, act like it. If you say you want change, earn it. Identity isn't declared, it's demonstrated. Start small. One promise, keep it, then another. Stack them, and slowly, you'll stop doubting yourself because you'll trust yourself. If this resonated with you, stay. We build better habits here, quietly.